Do you really believe that entrepreneurship is the only path to wealth? It's a question that's been circling around for years, fueled by the popular notion of entrepreneurship as the ultimate route to riches. Stories of self-made billionaires, tech wizards, and business magnates dominate our media, painting a glamorous picture of entrepreneurship. This allure of the entrepreneurial lifestyle, with its promise of unlimited wealth and freedom, has captivated minds globally. But is entrepreneurship truly the golden ticket to wealth it's made out to be? Let's peel back the layers and look at the hard truth about entrepreneurship. When we talk about entrepreneurship, we often envision the glitz and glamour of success stories. The self-made millionaires, the innovators, the disruptors. But what's often left out of this narrative are the stark realities that come with the entrepreneurial territory. First off, the journey of entrepreneurship is fraught with challenges. In fact, it's more of an uphill battle than a walk in the park. You're not just starting a business, you're donning multiple hats, from being the CEO to the janitor, from the marketer to the accountant. It's a 24/7 commitment that leaves little room for anything else, including your personal life. Then there's the elephant in the room, the high failure rate of startups. According to data, about 9 out of 10 startups fail. That's a staggering 90%, and even those who manage to stay afloat, it can take years, even decades, to turn a profit. The financial instability can be nerve-wracking. For many entrepreneurs, it's a constant struggle to keep the lights on, to secure funding, to meet payroll. The financial pressure can be immense, and not everyone is equipped to handle it. And let's not forget the stress. Entrepreneurship can be a roller coaster ride, filled with highs and lows, twists and turns. The uncertainty, the constant pressure to perform, to innovate, to stay ahead of the competition. It can take a toll on one's mental health. So yes, entrepreneurship can be rewarding. It can offer autonomy, the chance to bring your ideas to life, to make a difference. But it's not a golden ticket to wealth. It's not for everyone. It's a path filled with risks, hurdles, and sacrifices. Entrepreneurship can be a high-stakes gamble with no guaranteed return on investment. So, if not entrepreneurship, then what? Let's dive into some alternative wealth-building strategies that you might find more appealing. Firstly, we have investing in stocks. This is a game of patience and strategy, where you buy ownership in a company and reap the benefits as they grow and prosper. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree. The beauty of this approach is that it can potentially provide you with a passive income. You invest your money and then sit back as it grows over time. Moreover, the risk involved is significantly lower than starting your own business, and you can start with a much smaller initial investment. Next up, bonds. Think of bonds as an IOU where you lend your money to a government or corporation, and they promise to pay you back with interest. It's a safer bet compared to stocks, although the returns might be lower. However, the stability and predictable income stream make bonds an attractive option for many. And let's not forget about real estate. Buying property and renting it out can be a lucrative venture. Like stocks, it can also provide a passive income and the potential for significant capital appreciation. Plus, it's a tangible asset that you can see and touch, which can provide a sense of security. These three strategies, stocks, bonds, and real estate, are not a get-rich-quick scheme. They require time, patience, and a bit of financial knowledge. But compared to the high risks and intense competition of entrepreneurship, they offer a more accessible path to wealth. You don't need a revolutionary idea or a fancy business degree to get started. All you need is a bit of money to invest and the willingness to learn and grow. Remember, the goal is not to become the next Bill Gates or Elon Musk. The goal is to build a solid financial foundation that allows you to live comfortably and securely. These strategies offer a more accessible route to wealth, without the high risks of entrepreneurship. Wealth isn't just built through investments, it can also be built through a traditional career. Imagine this. You're in a high-paying job that you're passionate about. You're climbing the corporate ladder, and with every promotion, your salary increases. Over time, these increments can add up to significant wealth. In fact, career progression can be a potent wealth-building tool, often overlooked in the glare of entrepreneurship. Let's delve into this a bit more. Consider a career in a field you're passionate about. This could be anything from technology to healthcare, finance to education. The key is to find a career that not only pays well, but also offers opportunities for advancement. As you gain experience and demonstrate your value, promotions and salary increases follow. Over time, these incremental gains can lead to a substantial increase in your overall wealth. But the benefits of a traditional career extend beyond just a steady paycheck. there's also the aspect of job security. Unlike the unpredictable world of entrepreneurship, a traditional job offers a certain degree of stability. There's a comfort in knowing that you'll receive a paycheck at the end of each month, regardless of the state of the market or the economy. Moreover, a traditional career often provides a better work-life balance. While entrepreneurs are known for their grueling hours and relentless work ethic, employees in a traditional job often have more predictable schedules. This allows for a healthier balance between work and personal life, which can lead to higher job satisfaction and overall happiness. And let's not forget the benefits like retirement plans, health insurance, and vacation time that often come with a traditional job. These perks not only add to your wealth but also contribute to a better quality of life. To sum it up, building wealth through career progression is about more than just earning a high salary. It's about finding a job you love, gaining experience, advancing in your career, and enjoying the benefits that come with it. This path may not be as glamorous as entrepreneurship, but it can provide a stable and steady route to wealth. And then there's the power of saving and frugality. In the world of finance, there's an old adage that goes, "A penny saved is a penny earned." But what if I told you that it's more than that? In fact, a penny saved can be a dime, a dollar, or even a fortune earned over time. This is the magic of saving and frugality, two often overlooked elements on the road to wealth accumulation. Saving is the act of setting aside a portion of your income for future use. It's the foundation of financial security, the safety net that cushions life's unexpected blows. But more than just a safety measure, saving is a wealth-building strategy. Small amounts saved consistently can compound over time, turning your pennies into a sizable fortune. Frugality, on the other hand, is the practice of living below your means. It's about distinguishing between wants and needs, prioritizing the latter, and finding joy in simplicity. It's not about depriving yourself of life's pleasures, but rather making conscious decisions about where your money goes. The power of frugality lies in its ability to accelerate wealth accumulation. By reducing your expenses, you increase the gap between your income and expenditure. This gap is your wealth-building machine, the engine that propels you towards financial freedom. Ultimately, the path to wealth isn't always about earning more, but often about spending less. And when you combine the power of saving with the discipline of frugality, you create a potent formula for wealth accumulation. So, is entrepreneurship the only path to wealth? The answer, as we've explored, is a resounding no. We've discussed the inherent risks of entrepreneurship and contrasted them with alternative wealth-building strategies. We've seen the potential in career progression, the power of consistent saving, and the underrated virtue of frugality. Remember, the journey to wealth is diverse and multifaceted. It's not just about being an entrepreneur, but about finding the strategy that best fits your skills, interests, and risk tolerance.